Hello Amazon, name is Justin Snow. Bringing a demonstration video. I've already got the box, took it out of the box. It is a company called smallfatw. It's on their 32-inch light bar, red and white. Just show you a demonstration, the quality of it and the plug, and we'll go through the 13 flash patterns and see what you'll think about it. Plus it'll help you make a decision on if you want to buy one. You'd be crazy not to buy one because they're good quality. Alright, here's the box that it comes in. Long box. It comes very well packaged. Very well packaged. It's got like 3 layers of bubble wrap, and then it's all saran wrap. Excuse me. Here is the type of plug that comes with it. Your off on. No, that's your momentary. Sorry. That's to change the flash patterns. If I don't blind myself first. That's the off on button. And you hardwire this one. Here's the power cord. I got it wired to my battery. It's just temporary. There's the wires. But you can get different style plugs for it. Here is your standard 3-prong. You can get on Amazon and order a different plug. So like if you wanted the plug and play to go into the cigarette lighter, you can. They have them. Alright, these are the new optics. I don't know how new they are, but they're newer. This one has, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. The bar is very well made. It's not no cheap thin aluminum. I've got one. I was very disappointed in it. I have to say this one is probably brighter than STL, because I used to own a STL. I also used to own a Whalen, and of course now STL beats Whalen by all means, but they just stick with the standard optics, which kind of makes you disappointed in. Alright, let's turn this on. There it is. It's blinding the camera. We'll just call this video number 1. I mean this one here number 1. I'm standing at an angle above it. See? And it's that bright. Whew, wowee. One, it's got 4 red and 3 white. So what it is. Then that's number 2. Well, I might say that's number 1 flash pattern, because the other one's steady burn. There's number 2. That's the whole bar. That's half and half. Well, it's supposed to be half and half. If it had one more pod, it would be exactly half and half. But since this one's got an odd number, it has to be 4 and 3. The white is very overpowering. And we'll get more in detail here just shortly. That's offset. The red and the white, which I haven't counted up, but kept up with none of the counts. That one is center out. And I can't do it outside because it's too cold, and 1 for it's cloudy. Otherwise I'd do a daylight review. That's center in. That's left to right, depending on which way you had it mounted. I guess it really wouldn't matter. It could be left to right or right to left if you had it flipped upside down. See, like this right here. And that's telling you go to right to left. That's the way it's left to right. So it really doesn't matter how you mount it. Same way with this one. It does 2, 2, and 2. And that's single, I think. No. That's a better one, I think. Let me step back here a little bit. You see how bright it is on the camera? I mean, it's bright. Extremely. Telling you to scoot over. Get out of the way. And there's solid flash pattern again. Steady burn. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Number 13 or number 1, whichever one you'll call it, is 13, but it has 13 flash patterns. Alright, I'm going to pause the video and we're going to get into it. Okay, Amazon, I told you we'd have it taken apart. It's been a few minutes. It's a little stickier than I thought it was. I did this with the last couple I've had, but not this one. So I've done it. Alright, here's the circuit board. And it is the same light bar. You can see where they can put the diodes in for different flash patterns, stuff like that. It's your standard circuit board. Which I think all circuit boards are pretty much one price. Just depends on how long you want to make them. What I like about this one is it's a long circuit board, so if you had to take it apart and work on it, it would be easier to work with. Let's see here. The good solder joints, I'm trying to get the camera to focus. Alright, I don't know if you can see them or not. Well, they're actually kind of sloppy. Nothing right there. That's a sloppy solder joint. That one looks good, that one, that one, that one. The ground side looks sloppy. Look at that. Good quality. Let's look at what kind of transistors they got in there. I ain't got my magnifying glass with me. The MOSFET. Okay. Sorry for the shaking of the camera. It is, as you can, might be a little bit too close. As you can see, the circuit board, it's a HB 8-823Z13 circuit board. It's a good quality circuit board, but it's not your exact high quality. The circuit board was printed on 2014 April 17th of 2014. Circuit board's a little old, but the electronics I'm pretty sure is not. I like the wires. They come with a pretty good length of wire, so if you ever want to change the lights, which here where I live at, we have to have amber on the back of the vehicle, so I will be doing a modification to this light bar. Here's one end of it, here's the other end of it, which I've already took one out, but I'm not going to change that one. I'm going to change that one right there. I got some from an old light bar that I used to have. I'm trying to move my hand out of the way. This one here. I'm taking that one out and that one out. The second one from the end on each end, which will be 2 whites, I'll be taking out. I'll leave all 4 red. Take out all of the, well, 2 out of 3 of the white. This one here, which is the very middle of it, that one will still be in there of the white, which I will be changing this to amber. I got them right here. It's the same optics, same light bar, which I bought this previously for a different one. Someone on Amazon was selling a junk light bar. The cord has been chopped off into pieces. It was used. They wanted $5 for it, so I bought it from them, and it was solid amber. They said it was fairly new, guaranteed everything to work. So I bought it, and that's what I do. I like messing with electronics. That's the overall view. We never did look at the solder joints on the main source. Now see, those solder joints are right. Right there. All of them are done right. And they're not cold soldered either. Alright, let's take a look at the tube right fast. I like how they make a notch for it right here, for the wire. You can see that on my finger right there. Right there. There's that little notch. So there's some companies that does not do that. I'm pretty impressed with it. Actually very impressed with it. The tube is solid. I mean, it's very durable. It's not cheaply made, I can tell you that. So it's well worth its money. Very well. Let's just measure it, see how long it is. They said it's 31.5 inch. Well, my little thing here don't. And it is only 29 inches. So it's not 31.5 like they say it is. But it's close. It's only about 2 inches short. Alright, Amazon. The product overall is very good quality. The lights are very well made. I meant to show you the circuit board for the lights. Those are standard 1 watt LEDs. I can tell you, because there's a negative, there's a positive. I've messed with these several times. Several times. I like fooling with them. Now see, the circuit boards were printed this year, so it's not old. You can see the manufacturer date right there, printed manufacturer date. Very good light boards, 823. That's a very good quality light board. These boards were printed April 24th of 2018. So the boards are new. Those are 1 watt. That's the red ones. I don't know if I could get a real extremely close up. No, I can't. No, it ain't gonna show me. Anyway, I recommend this light bar. Highly recommend it. It's better quality than I was giving it credit for. I can't remember what I paid for it. I think it's $55, if I'm not mistaken. I can't quite 100% for sure. I might do I'll tell you what, I will do an update on the video. Once I get everything done, I'm going to get it installed in the vehicle. Which will be the same day I publish this video. If I could, I would edit the video and add more to it, but I can't. It won't let me. So what I'm going to do is just post this one, and then I'll post another one right after it, after it's installed in my pickup truck. See what it looks like after I get done. It will be modified. It will be red, amber, red, white, red, amber, and red. I think that's how I'm going to have it. I think that's all 7. Anybody that's in fire and rescue or law enforcement and you need a light bar, this is a good one. Very good one. Very good quality. I highly recommend it to anybody. It's extremely high intensity. You've seen it when I turn the camera on. You'd be crazy not to buy it. Alright, Amazon, I am not sponsored by this company at all. I bought this. So, you take your choice. Watch the video. All right, have a good one.